Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I am currently switching over all my dull old knives to brand new ones, but that is a super expensive task to accomplish. I was extremely happy to find this Chef Santoku knife by Aokura. It's 5.6 inches and it's made from an ultra sharp high carbon stainless steel. For some reason, I always thought that good quality knives had to be heavy, but that is definitely not the case. This knife is so nice and lightweight, but it cuts through everything like butter. I like to do a lot of meal prepping, which means chopping a lot of things all at one time, and my hand would get really tired from my heavier knives. But this one is so lightweight and it really gets the job done. It was super easy to chop through peppers, tomatoes, and even potatoes with little to no effort. If you're looking to replace or expand your knife collection, I highly recommend this one. It works so well, it's super lightweight, so it's great for meal prepping, and I love it, and you will too. But that's just my point of view.